Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back to my channel and to a really quick video just introducing my new kit, which is called Garden Pals, which is a whimsical autumn kit. Loved putting this one together, had so much fun with it. It's just the cutest thing ever. It will be in my Etsy, but I wanted to do a full video flip through so you get to see what is included in the kit. And it's quite a chunky kit. There's 40 odd pages, some additional freebie pages, 2 freebie folio kits, lots and lots to get your teeth stuck into, and some really new elements as well. So with that in mind, I will just literally take you through it. So this kit has got a load of little garden critters and some watering cans. That's the main theme for the kit. So here we've got some fabulous little raccoons, some watering cans, some little chickens dotted around the place. And then we have got our foxes are next. So these are some fabulous little foxes here. Absolutely love these. Think they look so cute. Then we've got some squirrels, and with a nice little scarecrow. And then we have got some chickens, different sized chickens. And then we've got some bees and some sunflowers with some little mushrooms dotted around. So they're the main characters within the kit. There's some pages there where aren't too busy, so it leaves a lot of room for writing and journaling. So we've got a little fox here, Focus. We've got some of our raccoons here. We've got our squirrel on this one here. Sorry, these are not my kits. These are other kits that I had to use the paper for because I'd run out. Then we've got our sunflowers and our bees. And we've got our chicken and our little signs. Then we have got some, these are like almost Polaroid kind of templates here with just some of the watering cans in. And then we move on to the ephemera. So we've got some pockets here, 2 different sizes of pockets with different elements of the kit on them. We've then got some bottom pockets. So these, the idea of these ones is they go along the bottom of your page. Again, if you've got smaller journals, you can print them off at a reduced percentage to fit your journals. You just may need to play around with that a little bit. Then we've got some side pockets. I do love my side pockets. And then we've got some index card pockets. Now these can be used if you print them back to back. They can be used as journaling cards as well. You can use them as tuck spots. You can do whatever you want to with these individual elements. Then we've got some large tags with the different characters in. Some more large tags there with the remaining characters in. And then we've got a host of smaller tags here with different characters and different scenes in. We've then got trifold tag, and this is with each of those scenes from the original set of papers. And these are just your trifold tags where if you print them back to back onto some backing paper, you can just use these, fold them up in 3. You can use add pockets or tuck spots to the insides, add notebooks, or you can just use them as extended journaling space. But I do love the trifold tags. So again, I've done those with each of the themes that came in the first set of journal pages. And that one there. Then we've got our envelopes. So our envelopes again come in all the different kind of images that we've looked at with our journal pages. So we had our foxes, our raccoons, our squirrels, our chickens, our bees and sunflowers. And then we have a page border configuration. So the idea with this one is that you cut these elements out This is the example, so you would stack them either this side or that side, or you could even go upwards if you were having them across a page. You stack them up and then choose one of your images as the central point, and you would have this as a page border just on the edge of your page. You could have it on kind of, if you had it as a page border, it would go on the edge of your page here, or if you wanted it as a side tack, you'd put it on the inside page here and literally have all of these elements that you would access there as a side tack. And as I said, you can build that upwards as well for a pocket effect. So loads of different options with this one. Yeah, absolutely love that. Then I put some little photo frames together with each of the images in. I absolutely adore these. These can be used again as pockets, text, or if you just want to use them as page embellishments. You literally loads and loads of different options for using these. Pop those back over there. I ran out of paper, so I have to recycle. It's terrible, isn't it? And then we've got a load of stamps that you can use, and again with different elements in and just some little things to make them look a little bit more authentic in terms of stamping. We've got our postcards, 4 different styles of postcards and different images on each of those postcards, so love those. We've got some specimen cards here. Now the idea of these is that I've put these inside just to show what you could use them as if you wanted to, but just cut out your specimen card, and then if you wanted to fussy cut these out, you could use them as an inside. If you're going to do that, I'd say print the specimen card onto backing paper so that when this flips over you haven't got a white kind of window, unless that's something you like. Looks really good on coffee dyed paper as well. Then we have got a load of fussy cuts. Lots of different choices there. We've got some tickets, different sizes, again with all of the elements on. Now with these ones here, originally my idea was that these were going to be printed onto transparencies to create a like negative type look, but I'll come on to those now and show you an example. But these look absolutely great, and if you print these onto coffee dyed paper, which you get rid of your white background, they make absolute fabulous journal cards or bookmarks or side texts or side pockets, or just literally belly bands, or just interesting embellishments for your journals. Now I did print this onto, sorry, I'm using a kit again then. I did print this onto acetate, or acetate? Yeah, I printed this onto acetate, and it comes out like a really, I don't think my printer was the best, and I think I chose the wrong setting for it, but it comes out like a really negative type look. So you know the old photographs with the negatives? That's what it kind of comes out like. So that is another option if you wanted to use it with transparencies. Test it out first, but I would literally cut these out, put a little eyelet in the top of that with a little charm on, and you've got some fabulous little bookmarks or just some interesting pieces for your journals. So that is one of them, just to show you as an example. And then I did the same with this one here. So again, printed onto coffee dyed paper, and you can have it as a strip to go across your page, like page borders, or just as embellishments. You can use them as pockets. You can do whatever you want to do with those. And this was this printed onto acetate. So again, it gives a negative type look. I'd have to play around with my printer and see what different images. You can see I've smudged it there because I started moving it before it dried, and it does take forever to dry, so just be mindful of that. But it depends what your printers are like and what it looks like when it prints out for you. And then finally, there is 2 free folios as part of this kit. So we've got a fox folio, which is, I've printed the wrong pages out for this one. So you've got your fox folio, and you've also got a raccoon folio. And each folio comes with the front sheet here with your lines, your fold lines there. You need to print this onto pretty heavyweight cards if you're going to use it as a folio, but you could also attach this page here to your or that page even to your journal and have it just as a flip out writing spot or a flip out piece with some pockets. The idea is that on the other side of this you've got a long side pocket and a text spot, and then you've got either some pieces where you can just add them. You could put one of these on here as a top pocket, a little side pocket here, or just use them as journal cards. And then you've got on the very back of the folio, so that these pockets were the inside, and then on the back of the folio, if you wanted to embellish that, these are stacked pockets. So literally this one goes on top of that one goes on top of that one. You attach this to the page on 3 sections and you've got 3 stacked pockets. And that is it. That is the kit. One of those, as I said, is in the raccoon theme, and one of them is in the fox theme. That is the kit. As I said, I absolutely loved putting it together. It is humongous, and there are lots of new elements in that. But again, that's going to be in my Etsy if you want to pop over and check it out. But I would love to know in the comment section below what you think. So please feel free to drop me a comment. I'm going to leave it there. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, as always, stay safe and be well. Speak soon. Bye for now.